Get into a car with value. 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500, the full-size pickup that's strong, quiet, and dependable, with the latest technology to keep you connected while you get the job done. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated driver's seat, keyless entry, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, trip computer, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power door locks. Feel prepared for the challenge in the Silverado 1500. Get behind the wheel for a test drive.